Cons Maths 5 Plus, page 10. Dear students, today we'll learn about shapes. We'll learn about cuboid. You know, the world we live in is very beautiful. It is full of shapes. Cuboid is a three-dimensional shape. It shows height, length, and width of an object. It has a face, edge, and vertex. Cuboid shape can be seen in objects like brick, book, a pack of sweets, and a lunchbox. Think of other cuboid-shaped objects and share the information with your friends. Let's have some activity time. Trace the following cuboids and color them purple, orange, red, and green with crayons or color pencils. Color this cuboid in purple. Color this cuboid in orange. Color this cuboid in red. Color this cuboid in green. Respectable teachers and parents, explain what three-dimensional shapes are. Also, tell that such shapes have three dimensions, that is, height, length, and width. Tell the children that a cuboid shape has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. Show flashcards to the children displaying cuboid shape and ask them to name the objects shown on them. Also, make the children pronounce the cuboid shape well so that they can name it as soon as they see it on the flashcards. Engage the children in an activity that urges them to sort out cuboid-shaped objects out of the objects that you have given them to observe. Sing the shape song to children, showing them relevant objects while saying aloud cuboid shape. Appreciate the children's participation in all activities and clap for them. Thank you.